morning, everyone. Namaskar, Subhabhat. I'm Gaurav Singh, Vice President, Operations and Service Group, HDFC ERGO General Insurance. And it's a pleasure to be here today for the eliminator round of the Insurance Quiz Junior 2025. I must say that I'm truly impressed by the spirit and the determination of all the students participating here. This round is special. It's a second chance, a reminder that setbacks are not the end, but actually an opportunity to come back stronger. And in many ways, that's what insurance is all about: resilience, recovery, and readiness. In my role as Vice President Operations and Services, I have seen how systems thrive when they are built to adapt and respond, whether it's in business or in life. The ability to bounce back and keep moving toward forward is what defines success. Today, you are doing just that. You are showing up, giving it another shot, and proving that learning never stops. This quiz is not just about answers, it's about attitude, awareness, and a will to grow. I want to congratulate each one of you for being here. You have already shown great courage and commitment. And I encourage you to carry that mindset with you because in every challenge lies a chance to rise. This is the 10th year of the event, the journey which was started in 2016 with just 80 schools, and now we have successfully reached out to over 25 lakh students till now. That's amazing. 25 lakh students. This year, over 3,500 schools joined us, helping us connect with students across the length and breadth of India, from bustling metros to the most remote villages, and in 5 different languages. We expanded our reach to nearly 560 cities, making this truly a nationwide movement. What makes me especially proud in this, 42% of our participants came from smaller towns with population just under 10 lakh, a significant jump of 32% from last year. Even more inspiring, 45% of them were girl students. Along with students, I want to acknowledge the efforts of teachers and parents who have let students think and go beyond their textbook. Let's make today a celebration of perseverance, learning, and the power of trying again. Thank you and best of luck to all the participants. Without any further delay, I invite our host, our friend Venkatesh Srinivasan, popularly known as Venki, to kickstart the quiz proceedings.
Gaurav, thank you very, very much. And I think that was truly, truly inspiring and truly nice to see the energy and the passion that you bring to the table for this quiz. And I think that is going to really inspire our teams here today to do their very best. Good morning and very warm welcome to all of you to this very crucial eliminator round of HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior, a 10-year-old quiz property in India, which has been growing and growing and reaching the status of a truly national quiz today. As you heard Gaurav say, a modest beginning was made way back in 2016, where 18 schools in the city of Mumbai participated in the very first edition of the quiz. The vision and the objective of the quiz, however, remains unwavering from that day till today. It is about making sure that concepts related to insurance, which is a very important but kind of under-taught and under-aware subject in Indian society as a whole, is promoted through school students from grades 8 and 9, which are very kind of impressionable ages in the early teens, becoming the brand ambassadors for insurance. And over these 10 years, several lakhs of students have participated in this engagement. They have represented their schools proudly. And along the journey, they've learned a thing or two about various types of insurance. And they've then used that knowledge, hopefully, to enhance the awareness of insurance in their immediate ecosystems, whether it's their family, their fellow students, or even older people like their teachers and their parents. That really is the objective of the quiz, to make this a learning exercise, but make this learning exercise also a lot of fun, which is why it's in this exciting quiz format. In 2025, for the 10th edition of the quiz, we had more than 3,500 teams that had registered from the length and breadth of the country. This quiz is open to teams of 2 students from grades 8 and 9 from any school in India. So we have schools which follow the respective state boards. We have CBSE schools, ICSE schools, IB schools, Cambridge curriculum schools, all of it taking part in one forum. And this year, the quiz was also held, the preliminary, the first online round, I must tell you, was also held in 5 different languages. So language is certainly not seen as a barrier for knowledge and quizzing. And very happy to inform you that it was successfully held in 5 different languages. Teams which cleared the initial online round on a quiz platform then took part in online live quiz cluster rounds, which were held on a platform called Kahoot. And 12 such cluster rounds were held, again covering the various parts of the country. Of course, we know how large a country India is, so we need to be able to cover all of them. So we had the 12 cluster rounds, and from the 12 cluster rounds, we had 24 teams which made it to the 4 zonal rounds. Over the last 2 days, on this same YouTube channel, you would have seen the 4 zonal rounds happen. These happened on the 15th and 16th of September 2025. And from those 4 zonal rounds, the winner has directly qualified into the Grand National Final, which is scheduled next Tuesday, the 23rd of September in Mumbai. And those 4 teams, I'm happy to read out their names again for you, are Sunbeam Lehertara representing Varanasi, BJEM School representing Bhubaneswar, Army Public School Golconda representing Hyderabad, and Cambridge Court High School representing Jaipur. So we have Varanasi, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, and Jaipur, 4 amazing cities which have already been represented in the national final. Now, today is the very interesting eliminator round. This is again an innovation of the format where you get a second shot at qualifying to the final. So several teams finished a very close second. In fact, in one of the zonals, in the very first zonal, the North Zonal, the difference between the winning team and the second place team was only 1 point. So losing a quiz by 1 point can be quite heartbreaking. So therefore, we have an eliminator round. The second and third place teams from each of our 4 zonal rounds have now qualified and will take part in today's eliminator. And from today's eliminator, not 1 but 2 teams will book their place in the national final to join our 4 teams who have already qualified. Right? So that's the format. My name is Venki Srinivasan. I am your quiz master and host for today, and my team from Nexus Consulting has put together a lot of the questions. It's our privilege and pleasure to be associated with this quiz for the 3rd year in a row. And I hope you've been watching the YouTube streams over the last 2 days, and I'm very thrilled to bring you this eliminator. And I would also urge all of you who are watching it on YouTube to tune in next Tuesday on the 23rd of September in the late afternoon to catch the riveting national finale of the quiz as well. All right. So with that fairly long monologue from my side.
Recording in progress.
Let's get cracking. Time to go and meet our teams for today who have done battle to be here. Team number 1, representing the East Zone, Army Public School, Danapur Cantonment, Patna, Ayushman and Rohan. Please unmute and introduce yourselves once again.
Good morning, sir. I am Ayushman Pandey and he is Rohan Raj. We are currently studying in class 9th.
And how was your experience been so far?
Sir, our experience was too good after learning about insurance, and we are here to go to eliminator and win the prize.
Yeah, you're already in the eliminator, so you have to go to the finale of the eliminator.
Final.
Yes. Okay. Right. Immediately after we introduce the teams, we also have a very important and interesting message from one of the senior members of HDFC ERGO. So we will take a look at that message once the teams introduce themselves. Team number 2 in today's finale are Jain Bharati. Please introduce yourselves.
Namaskar sir, I am Akshat Mittal and I am currently studying in class 9.
Namaskar sir, I am Vidhi and currently studying in class 9 too.
Okay, very good. This is the team from the North Zone that missed out by just 1 point, I think, in their zonal round. So they will be quite charged up to do well today. All the very best to you, Jain Bharati Mrigavati Vidyalaya. JBMV, we can just call you that if that's easy. Yeah, all right. Okay. Neighboring them as team number 3 is a team from a school that have been past champions in this quiz, Jawaharlal Nehru School, BHEL Bhopal, JNS as they're called, Shlok and Tanishq.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shlok Tiwari, studying in 9th standard.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tanishq Sisodia, studying in 8th standard.
Okay, excellent. And are you well set and well prepared for today?
Yes, sir. We are very excited to see you again in this round. Hope we will do better than last time. Thanks for this opportunity, sir.
All the very best. All the very best to you, JNS. And neighboring them, a team all the way from the south, the Little Angels Matriculation School from Namakkal in Tamil Nadu, that is Rishita and Shashini.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rishita and I am studying in 9th standard.
Good morning, sir. I am Shashni and I am studying in 8th.
Okay, very good. Are you all well prepared and all set for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the very best to you, our all girls team, all the way from Namakkal in Tamil Nadu. Lovely to see relatively smaller town teams doing really well. Congratulations to you for this journey. Team number 5 today are Majigram Bisweshwari High School, Bardhaman, Radha and Rima.
Yes, sir. My name is Rima Ghosh. And my name is Radha Sahu.
Okay, all set for today.
Class 9.
Which class are you both in?
Class 9.
Class 9. Okay, all well prepared and set for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the very best to you. Again, a team again, an all-girls team and coming from a relatively smaller town doing really well. Congratulations. Neighboring them, team number 6, Mount Abu Public School, Delhi, Kritika and Louis.
Sir, my name is Lavish Munga and she is my quiz partner.
Good morning, sir. I am Kritika, currently studying in 8th grade.
And sir, I am in 9th grade.
Okay, 8th grade, 9th grade combination, all set, well prepared. I think they did quite well in their zonal round as well. And they'll be looking forward to this eliminator. All the best to you, Mount Abu. Team number 7 are a team which has again won this quiz. This school has won the HDFC ERGO Insurance Juniors quiz multiple times in the past. They are New Era Senior Secondary School, Vadodara. They lost their semi-final again by zonal round, again by a whisker, but they will really be charged up over here. New Era, please introduce yourselves.
Good morning, sir. My name is Swer Patel from class 8 and he is my quizzing partner, Rudra Rai from class 9.
Very good. And what is your strategy for today?
Sir, our strategy is to win, sir.
That's a good strategy always. Excellent strategy. So we will hope that you follow through on that strategy. Let's see. Okay. And completing our lineup for today from Bengaluru, Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Bangalore North, Chinmay and Janani.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chinmaya.
And my name is Janani.
We both are studying in grade 9.
You're both in grade 9. Excellent. Okay. Representing the lovely city of Bengaluru. So we have some fabulous cities represented here. We have Patna, we have Delhi, we have Bhopal, we have Namakkal, we have Bardhaman, another Delhi team, Vadodara and Bangalore. So only Delhi with 2 representations, all other different cities. Going to be a fantastic contest. But before we go into the context, as a little bit of inspiration for all of you and to understand the thinking behind this quiz from a senior management perspective, we have a very important message from Sudakshana Bhattacharya, who's President and Chief Human Resources Officer of HDFC ERGO. Let's listen to her video.
Hi, big congratulations for qualifying to be in the zonal rounds. 3,500 schools enrolled for this HDFC ERGO's flagship program, Insurance Quiz for the Juniors. And guess what makes it so special? It is the 10th year. So even bigger congratulations for being a part of the HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Juniors coming in the zonal round. At HDFC ERGO, we believe that if we can acquire mind share right at the beginning with the youngsters, they will have a recall of HDFC ERGO General Insurance. At HDFC ERGO, we believe that everybody is a winner. You already are. The important thing to remember is you're just 2 steps away from getting the title. So my best wishes to each one of you. and your family members who've encouraged you to be here. And not forgetting the school, the principal, the teachers who have encouraged you and who have prepared you to be here. So give your best shot, 200% in your zonal rounds. And I'm hoping that I will see you at the finals. Stay well, all the best.
Thank you very much, Sudakshana. I think that was a very, very useful message, and I hope all our participants have taken the due inspiration from that message to focus and give their 200% to make sure that they book a place in the finale. Right, we've talked about the quiz, we've met the teams. Time now to go into the quiz. Let's look at the format. The format is exactly the same as the zonal rounds. We have 4 rounds. The first round passing in order from team 1 to team 6. Team 1 to team 8 in this case. 4 buzzer questions, and then a reverse round passing from team 8 to team 1, and then the wheel of destiny, which will spin and land on a specific insurance thematic, and that round will be on the buzzer as well. So 2 rounds on passing, 2 rounds on the buzzer, a total of 22 questions in this round to be answered, 24 questions to be answered. Right, let's get going. We are making a slight change this time. The expert lifeline will now be available to you in round number 3 and not round number 1. So round number 1 will go normal, and round number 3 we will have an expert lifeline. We have a very special expert joining us, but that lifeline will be available to you in round number 3. So round number 1, let's take a look at the rules. Is our standard rules. You'll pick a question from the grid. The number on the grid doesn't have anything to do with the answer as such. The questions will pass from team 1 to team 8 in that order. 10 points for a correct answer, no negative marking, any part points at my discretion, and 10 points whether you answer on a direct or on a pass. Let's go to the grid. APS Patna, what would you like?
So question 1.
Okay, you want to start straight with question 1. Okay. Blank automation, RPA, is a new technique being adopted in the insurance industry. It involves using software bots to automate repetitive rule-based tasks such as in underwriting, policy administration, and even customer service. What is RPA? A new age technique that is being adopted in the insurance industry. It's being adopted in many industries, but it's also being adopted in the insurance industry.
So robotic process automation.
Robotic process automation is absolutely correct. Well done. 10 points to you on robotic process automation. Good answer, APS Patna. Good start. Robotic process automation is the right answer. And you know, the name is, I think, self-explanatory, which is using robots to automate and make more efficient a lot of processes, which otherwise through human intervention may take much longer. Okay, team 2, Jain Bharti.
Sir, number 4.
Number 4. Okay, this is an interesting question. The Daruma, which we're going to show you, remember, of course, as always, the quiz is a mixture of general knowledge, current affairs, and insurance. So luck of the draw, you don't know what you'll get. This happens to be a general knowledge question. The Daruma is a traditional Japanese wish doll, which is made of paper mache, a very light material. It is considered to be a symbol of perseverance due to a feature that comes from its distinctive shape. What feature is this? Here is an image. So this is how a typical Daruma doll looks. And in fact, recently when our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi went to Japan, he was presented with a Daruma doll. It is considered a symbol of perseverance because of one of its features. Let's go back to the question.
Sir, its feature is that it has a very high weight rounded bottom.
It has a very heavy rounded bottom. Therefore, what? So what?
Its distinctive feature that it has a heavy rounded bottom.
But why is it considered a symbol of perseverance? Okay, I'm going to pass you. Team 3, JNS.
It has a round hollow with heavy bottom.
That's not what I'm looking for. Team 4, Little Angels.
I think good luck. No.
Good guess, not a good luck charm. Team 5, Majigram.
It is always returned to an one upright position when knocked over.
It returns to an upright position when knocked over. That's the right answer. Absolutely correct, Team 5. It returns to an upright position when it is knocked over. So when you push it down, it comes back to a straight upright position. That's why it's considered a symbol of perseverance. So 10 points to Team 5. Back to the grid. Jawaharlal Nehru, your option now to pick.
3.
3. Okay. Simple question. The Varishta Pension Bima Yojana was a pension scheme designed to benefit people in India who are above the age of 60. It was launched by the Indian government, who made one company responsible for the scheme's administration. Which company? All teams, please keep your hands like both hands like this in front of screen. I don't want to see people typing anything. Yeah. Team 5, Team 6, please adjust your cameras and please keep your hands in front of the screen like this. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, is it LIC?
LIC is the right answer, Team 3. Well done. Simple, straightforward question for you. It's LIC. It already said, that it is a kind of a policy for people above the age of 60. Varishta Pension Bima Yojana. The LIC administered it, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Absolutely right. 10 points, JNS. Back to the grid. Little Angels.
Sir, 7.
7. Cyber insurance policies provide coverage for legal fees in some cases. One such case is if the insured person has made a post on platforms like YouTube or Instagram that has caused a privacy breach or copyright violation, and there is a case that that person has to fight. What is such a scenario known as? So you can get legal fees covered through cyber insurance policy in specific cases. So what is such a scenario? What is such an add-on known as? Take a guess, Little Angels.
Sir, social media and media liability.
Excellent answer. Social media liability, absolutely right. Bang on there. Social media liability is right. So this is a rider you can take on a cyber insurance policy of social media liability. So in case you get into any trouble because of any violations of copyright and such, you can use this clause. Okay, well done. Good answering. Back to the grid. Team 5, Majigram.
2.
2. This is an add-on benefit available under HDFC ERGO's My Optima Secure Health Insurance. It has 5 sub-coverages that are maternity, prenatal, postnatal, IVF, and embryo freezing. What add-on benefit is this? One word.
Parenthood add-on.
Parenthood add-on is absolutely right. Well done. Simple, straightforward, well prepared. Team Majigram, parenthood add-on. Parenthood is absolutely correct. Okay, back to the grid. Mount Abu.
Sir, we would like to go with 6.
6. The role of these professionals is designing and conducting teaching programs for insurance agents, sales staff, and customer support teams. Their main goal is to improve product knowledge, compliance awareness, and sales skills. What are these professionals called?
Sir, the answer is training professionals.
Okay, give me one general word before that. So what do they train people in?
Sir, they are just teaching programs for the programs or development training professionals, we can say. I read it in the HDFC ERGO quiz booklet that you provided us. So it basically, or it's an organization of team, and it ensures us, for example, sales staff. It includes customer support teams, etc., etc.
I'll give it to you. I think training is the key word that I wanted. They're called insurance trainers or sales trainers or trainers in general. Very good and well explained, Team 6. That's the kind of answering we like in the quiz, where you're able to show that you have genuinely prepared and you have the knowledge. So well done. 10 points to Team 6 as well. New era, nervously waiting.
Sir, number 5.
5. As per the IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, the maximum waiting period for covering such conditions in health insurance has been reduced from 4 years to 3 years. So whatever the extreme limit was earlier 4 years, now it can't be more than 3 years. It could be lesser as well. It could be 2 years or 1 year, depending on the policy norms. Diabetes and hypertension could be two such examples. What are we talking about?
Sir, is it pre-existing disease?
Pre-existing disease is absolutely right, Team 7. Well done. Nicely cracked. It is pre-existing diseases. So as you know, when you take a health insurance policy, if you're already suffering from some diseases before you take the policy, could be diabetes, could be hypertension, could be any some other diseases, most insurance policies will have a period where they will not cover pre-existing diseases. And the duration of that could be variable, but the IRDAI has now capped it at 3 years. Okay. SSRVM, you have two options in front of you, 8 or 9.
We would like to choose number 8.
You want to choose number 8. Okay, your sound is a little cracking, so you just have to adjust it. Okay, right. Here is a sports question. In a break from tradition, FIDE has allowed players to do something for the 2025 Grand Swiss tournament. This move comes 8 months after a controversy centered around this particular player whom we'll show you. What has FIDE allowed to provide players more comfort and freedom of choice? Let's see the image. So this is a very famous world player, and I don't need to tell you what sport it is. It's obviously chess, and FIDE is the international governing body for chess. And this is a very famous player, and there was a big controversy about involving this player earlier this year or late last year. And finally, FIDE for the Swiss Open tournament said, okay, we will relax this rule. Players can be more comfortable. What was the controversy all about, or what was the rule? Let's go back to the question, please. More comfort and freedom of choice.
It was about clothes. It was appropriate jeans. They were speaking about.
They allowed
Yeah,
them to wear
absolutely
comfortable
right.
clothes.
Comfortable clothes. Very good. Absolutely right. So there was this whole controversy about, and who was that player? Do you know whom you saw?
Was it Carlsen?
Carlsen. Yeah, that's correct.
Magnus Carlsen.
Magnus Carlsen, and there was an issue about wearing appropriate clothing and wearing appropriate jeans, and that created a big controversy. But FIDE has finally relented and said, okay, people can be comfortable and wear what they would like. So well done, SSRVM. You knocked off that GK question rather nicely. 10 points to you as well. We are 1/4 done in our eliminator for the HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior 2025. Time to take a look at our leaderboard. All right, as we would well know, all teams on 10, Majigram on 20 because they answered that Daruma doll question extra, and Jain Bharati, don't worry, there's a long way to go. I'm sure you'll catch up very soon. Okay. Right, let's go to our next round. Our next round, as always, is our buzzer break, which is going to be very, very exciting. Right? So rules, as you well know, are as follows. There are 4 questions, some of them general knowledge, some of them insurance or finance related, all on the buzzer. Nothing comes on the screen. I'm going to be reading it out, and You will have to buzz and answer, and whatever is whoever buzzes first will get the chance. +8 -4 on both attempts. Okay. All right. Let me enter the buzzer room as well. Just hold on 1 second. All right, we are all set. Let's go. Question number 1. Think carefully and answer. Don't jump into this answer. It's a GK question. This color features on the national flags of only 2 countries in the world, and the countries are Spain and Mexico. Team 7?
Sir, is it pink?
Excellent answer, Team 7. Absolutely right. +8 to you. It's pink. That was a tough question. So the pink color actually appears only on 2 flags, which is Spain and Mexico. Very interesting trivia there and very well cracked by New Era. Well done. Question number 2. The HDFC ERGO bot Aqua provides real-time premium quotes on which platform? Little Angels?
Sir, WhatsApp.
Excellent. +8. WhatsApp is right. Well cracked. So it's the Aqua is the bot that provides real-time premium quotes on WhatsApp. Question number 3, sports again. Harmanpreet Singh is the Indian captain of which sport? Team 7?
So is it hockey?
Yes, correct. Team 7 +8 field hockey. He is the field hockey men's team captain. And interestingly, Harmanpreet Kaur is India's women's T20I captain. But Harmanpreet Singh is the field hockey captain. And you might have noticed recently that India won, of course, the Asia Cup in field hockey and qualified to the World Cup. So very proud achievement. And the last of the buzzer questions, insurance. In the context of fire insurance, in the abbreviation STFI, what is I? Little Angels?
Inundation.
Inundation, excellent. +8, Little Angels, very well prepared. The girls from Namakkal. Inundation. Do you know what the full STFI is, Little Angels?
Storm, tempest, flood, and inundation.
Excellent, excellent. Absolutely right. Storm, tempest, flood, and inundation. Beautiful. Well answered there. Well cracked. Great buzzer round. It's done. We've reached the halfway point and time to now take a look at the leaderboard, because I think the leaderboard's changed a little bit after this buzzer round, because 2 teams have earned themselves 16 points each in this round, and those 2 teams are Little Angels from Namakkal and New Era from Vadodara. So both of them are now sitting on 26. Majigram are on 20, and the other teams are on 10, except Jain Bharati, who will soon have to make a start. All right. Let's go on. We move to round number 3. And round number 3 is going to be our turn back the clock. This is our reverse round where you'll pick numbers from a grid and we will go reverse from 8 to 1. But we have a very special person joining us to be your expert lifeline. And it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce our expert for the day, Tejaswini Singhal, Senior Correspondent, ETHR World. She covers key trends and developments in the area of human resources, workforce transformation, learning and development, and hiring practices. And with many years of experience at ET, she brings her sharp industry insights and strong editorial voice to her reporting. She's a postgrad in the diploma in journalism from IIMC, the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi, and is known for thoughtful, research-driven articles. So she's going to be here to help you today. Tejaswini, warm welcome to you.
Thank you, Srinivasan, for that introduction, and all the best to everyone. I'm looking forward to it.
Absolutely. So teams, you know how it works. If you want to take Tejaswini's help, you will have to ask for a lifeline. before you come up with a guess. And you can use the lifeline only once in this round, either on a direct question or on a pass question. And no points get deducted or changed if you use a lifeline. All right. Let's now go back to, into our grid. We're going to go in reverse order now. So SSRVM, it's your turn to pick a number.
We'll pick number 5.
You'll pick number 5. Okay, number 5. Health insurance claims usually have a 24-hour hospitalization prerequisite. However, take care procedures like the one you'll see on the next slide are an exception where you don't have to have 24-hour hospitalization. What procedure is this? That is undergone by people whose kidneys are not functioning optimally. Here's an image. There you go.
It's kidney dialysis.
I think your audio is very poor. Can you repeat your answer, please?
Or dialysis.
Okay, I can barely hear you,
correct?
but I think I heard the right answer. It is dialysis. That is correct. You get yourself 10 points, but your network is quite bad, I think, SSRVM, because we could barely hear you. Can you try and unmute and speak again one more time?
Dialysis? Can you hear us?
Much clearer now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Dialysis is correct. That's kidney dialysis. It's one of the many procedures now that are covered under a daycare regime where you don't have to necessarily get hospitalized. Okay, new era. What would you like?
Sir, number 3.
Number 3. This scheme offers a 1-year term life cover of 2 lakhs. It provides coverage for death and requires a premium of 436 rupees per annum, including GST, that is debited from the insured subscriber's bank or post office account. What is this scheme called?
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana.
Wow, that's a perfect answer. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
Sir, it is a term life cover under which we get the coverage of 2 lakhs
436.
At 436 rupees premium annually.
And launched by the government of India for all citizens in the country.
18 to 50 years, sir.
In the 18 to 50 years age group. Excellent. To make sure that the IRDAI's goal of insurance for all is fulfilled by 2047. Excellent answer, New Era. 10 points to you. Great answer there. Okay. Go back to the grid. Mount Abu.
Sir, I would like to go with 7.
Number 7. Automated blank systems use a set of predefined rules to monitor and mark potentially fraudulent insurance claims. The 2 blanked out words, which indicate a need for caution, are often used online to refer to people with suspicious traits. What are the 2 blanks? You can take a line if you are not sure.
Sir, the answer is automated red flags.
Automated red flag systems. Very good answer, Mount Abu. Very good. It is red flag. It is red flag. So a red flag means, in any context, means something that is suspicious, something that is not correct, something that is a cause for alarm. And automated red flag systems kind of flag any anomalies or any inconsistencies that are seen in the course of an insurance policy verification and so on. Okay, very good. Great answering by all the teams so far. Majigram, what would you like? 2. Okay, question number 2 for you. This is a comprehensive medical insurance plan by HDFC ERGO. It provides coverage under 2 main sections, hospitalization cover and personal accident cover. What is the precise name of this plan?
HDFC ERGO Optima Secure Plan.
No, not correct. Passes to Little Angels.
Sir,
Team 5, sorry, I've heard your guess. Please mute now. Your turn is up.
My Health Koti Suraksha.
My Health Koti Suraksha. And why is it called My Health Koti Suraksha? What does the Koti there stand for, you think? What is the maximum sum insured in this plan?
Koti Suraksha.
That's fine. What's your final answer?
Sir, My Health Koti Suraksha.
My Health Koti Suraksha is the right answer. Absolutely right. It is My Health Koti Suraksha. And you could have asked for if you had asked for a clue, I would have probably said that the sum insured is 1 crore, right? So that's why My Health Koti Suraksha. Good answer, little angels. Well prepared again on all the insurance related concepts. 10 points to you. And little angels, your own turn.
So 1.
1. Insurers in India, like many other companies, are slowly integrating ESG principles into their core operations. What does the G in ESG stand for? It incorporates the decision-making processes, transparency, risk management, and compliance within insurance companies.
So Governance.
Governance. Do you know what ESG is, the full form?
Mental, Social, and Governance.
Environmental, social, and governance. Absolutely right. So all organizations are paying great importance to this environmental, social, and governance because that's something that has increasingly become relevant in today's world. Companies are putting out ESG audit reports and are being assessed by how well they are aligned to environment, social, and governance. Very good. Great answering. Plus 10 little angels, Namakal. JNS.
Number 6.
Number 6. Shown here is one of the types of homes covered under the Bharat Griha Raksha policy. These are categorized as large, luxurious homes typically with amenities like pools or private gyms. Very simple question. What is such a structure known as? Back to the
Maybe a lifeline.
You want a lifeline? Okay, sure. Tejaswini, your turn has come finally. Lifeline, please give them a nice clue.
Yeah, so this is a 5-letter answer and it comes from a Latin word which means country house.
It's a 5-letter answer.
That's
It's a
clue,
Latin
yeah.
word that means country house. Nice clue there from Tejaswini.
Farmhouse लगा देता हूँ.
JNS, time for a guess.
1 second, just a second.
Time to answer, guys. Sorry, time to answer.
Mansion. Is it mansion?
Not mansion. Passes to team 2.
Sir, villa.
Team 5, don't keep unmuting and answering in between. You can answer only when it's your turn. Please mute now.
Sir, villa.
Team 2, villa is absolutely right, team 2. That gets you a very, very valuable 10 points. It is just simply called a villa, and villa comes from Latin for country house. Villa is right. Well done, team 2. You missed it in the first round, but you've come right back, and now it's your turn to consolidate your score. What number would you like to pick?
Sir, 8.
8. This is a general question. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated once in every 2 years to strengthen the engagement of the overseas Indian community with the Government of India and reconnect them to their cultural roots. It is celebrated on 9th Jan to commemorate an important event in Indian history that involved a famous person. What happened on 9th Jan?
Sir, Gandhiji returned from South Africa.
Absolutely right. Great answer. Well cracked, Jain Bharati. Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa and he was like a kind of Pravasi Bharati returning to India at that time. He'd gone to South Africa to practice law, where he also did the foundations of his Satyagraha movement and established farms and so on. And Gandhiji returning to India from South Africa, that date is marked as Jan 9th, marked as Pravasya Bharatiya Divas. Excellent answer. Plus 10 Jain Bharati. And Army Public School, what would you like?
Sir, 9.
9. Okay. Last of our questions. Okay. K, this is a mascot that represents a structure in Asia. Its name hints at the capital city that the structure is located in. What is this structure? Show the image. Yeah. So you have to just give the name of the city and one other generic 5-letter word. Look at this. It's a tall structure. I will tell you it is a structure used for in the telecom and radio space, right? So what you have to do is give us the name of an Asian capital city and one more word after that. Go read the question carefully. There is a big clue there. Look at the name of the mascot. Say it out loud. That should help you give the name of the capital city of a country and a word after that.
Sir, Lifeline.
Lifeline. Okay. Lifeline, Tejaswini.
Yeah, hi. So I think it's an AI-powered digital assistant that helps HDFC ERGO customers 24/7. So I think it's just to guess the name if I'm.
This is question number 9.
This is 9.
Yeah, question number 9. This is about the mascot that represents a structure in Asia.
Oh, let me check. Can you just display the image again?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just give the clue. It's fast, reliable, and always charged up to help, just like lightning. And as you rightly said, it's a mascot. That's the only clue we have right now.
All right. Okay. So it is a mascot of an important city and in Asia, and it is kind of a tall structure that is used for radio and such communication and so on.
Sir,
It is named with a
Kelania?
major. I'm
Yes,
sorry,
yes.
just
Yeah.
it shares its name, I think, with a major financial hub.
Okay. All right.
Sir, Kelania and ADB.
No, passes to teammate.
It is Kuala Lumpur in the Malaysia.
Kuala
It's
Lumpur
called
in-
Kuala Lumpur Tower.
Yes, absolutely right. It is called Kuala Lumpur Tower. It is Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, the capital of Malaysia. That's why it said KL. KL stands for Kuala Lumpur. And this is Kuala Lumpur Tower. Bangalore team getting it bang on right. 10 points to you, SSRVM. Very crucial 10 points. Okay. That brings us to the end of the third round of this eliminator contest, which is running very, very close to determine our 2 remaining finalists for the national final of HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior. At this point of time, we can say our heartfelt gratitude. Thank you to Tejaswini Singhal, who took time from a very busy schedule to be here. Thank you, Tejaswini. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, and all the best to everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. One last round remaining, Wheel of Destiny. But before that, let's take a look at the scores. Two teams in the lead right now to qualify are Little Angels Namakkal with 46 and New Era Senior Secondary School Vadodara with 36. But SSRVM are right behind on 30. And all teams have scored. So Jain Bharati, Majigram, Mount Abu all on 20. And JNS and APS on 10. So good. All teams are on the leaderboard. Remember, there is 4 questions and +5, -5.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to intrude, sir. We are team 6.
Yeah.
And I want to say that in this first round of the the questions that you showed up, in that round also we scored 20 points and later that. But
No,
in the recent, but
no,
in
no.
recent,
You scored 10 points in the first round and 10 points in the second round. We are keeping the scores. I am also keeping the scores individually. The scoring is correct.
okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem. No problem. No problem at all. Okay, let's go back. We're going to spin the wheel, as you know, in Wheel of Destiny. And wherever it lands, I'm going to ask an insurance-based question. On that, it's +5, -5. Okay, 2 attempts per question. Nothing will, of course, come on the screen. listen to me carefully. I think there is still a chance that a couple of the teams could make a comeback, but I think Namakkal are sitting comfortable and they don't, unless they do something catastrophic, they can qualify. And the second place could be quite a good finish. So New Era will be watching it very carefully. Okay, let's go spin the wheel. All right, it has landed on the plus, which means it's a health insurance question. Listen carefully. What is the full form of TPA, whom a hospital might contact to provide estimated costs? In health insurance, what is the full form of TPA?
Third party administrator.
You have to hit the buzzer first. Yeah, team three. Yes, team 3. Got it. Third party administrator. Absolutely right. +5. Good answer. Third party administrator. Reset the buzzer and spin the wheel. Okay, it's motor insurance. Reset the buzzer. Yeah. What kind? Team 5, please stop just hitting the buzzer. Please wait. What kind of motor insurance policy provides coverage for a vehicle's repair cost if it gets damaged in an accident by a natural or man-made disaster or gets stolen?
Team 3 has buzzed.
Team 3? Answer. Team 3, you have to answer now.
1 second. Is it natural accident policy?
No, -5 to you. Next in order, team 7.
Own damage.
Own damage. Well done, team 7. Absolutely right. Own damage is what it is. It is own damage or standalone own damage insurance, which is if it gets damaged in an accident, in a natural or man-made disaster or gets stolen, it's own damage. Valuable +5 to New Era, who are sitting pretty now. Next spin, please. Okay, our penultimate question of the eliminator is on crop insurance. For farmers in Himachal Pradesh, what percentage of the premium for Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana is paid by the government? Team 5?
5%.
Incorrect, -5 to you. Team 2?
Sir, 2%.
Incorrect again. Team 2. I'm sorry, the question was for farmers in Himachal Pradesh, what percentage of the premium for PMFBY is paid by the government? It's 100%. The entire premium is borne by the government. Okay. Some teams from this quiz are going to travel to Mumbai in exactly less than 1 week from now. So here is a travel question. While claiming travel insurance, you may be asked for a PIR. What is PIR? Little angels.
So property irregularity report.
And with that fantastic answer, little angels, you get +5 and you win this eliminator. Property irregularity report is a perfect answer. Little angels from Namakkal, extremely well prepared team and showing how well prepared they are with those answers today. Let's take our final look at the leaderboard and let's see who our 2 qualifiers are. Winning the eliminator, Little Angels Matriculation School, Namakkal, crossing a 51 points and taking comfortable second place. Defending champions, past defending champions of the quiz, New Era Senior Secondary School, Vadodara, on 41 points. SSRVM Bangalore, good attempt, valiant attempt, 30 points. And then Mount Abu with some good answers on 20. Majigram and Jain Bharati on 15. And APS and JNS on 10. All of you are very good teams. I don't have to say this again. You are effectively in the top 12 teams and the 4 teams have already qualified. You are the next 8. You are the top 12 teams in the country from 3,500 teams. So that is not a joke. That's a phenomenal achievement. I'd like to congratulate all the schools and the parents and the teachers. Ami Public School, Patna, Jain Bharati Mrigavati Vidyalaya, Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru School, Bhopal, Majigram Bisweshwari High School, Bardhaman, Mount Abu Public School, Delhi, and Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Bangalore North. And special congratulations, of course, and welcome to the national final to New Era Senior Secondary School, Vadodara, and Little Angels Matriculation School, all the way from Namakkal. So our 6 cities in the national final and truly representing the diversity of the country are Varanasi, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Vadodara, and Namakkal. Truly shows what a national footprint this quiz has. So amazing, and thank you all of you for participating and playing the quiz and staying true to the spirit of quizzing. This is your Quizmaster Venki Srinivasan signing off, and I look forward to a great national final next Tuesday in Mumbai. Gaurav, over to you.
Wow, what a wonderful competition. And now we have got all our finalists who will compete in the grand finale on 23rd of September 2025. To everyone else, please don't lose hope. You have come so far and earned your place among thousands of talented kids. And that's not a small feat. We are proud of you. Come back stronger next year. We'll be cheering for you. On that note, thank you once again for being part of this incredible journey. A special shout out to Tejaswini Single ETHR Word for being an indispensable part of this wonderful initiative, providing impeccable answers and invaluable guidance to our students. Your expertise has lent a profound richness to this quiz. Thank you, Venki, for being a wonderful quizmaster. Take care. Goodbye.